Today I'm going to show how to fill diesel exhaust fluid. I'm going to keep this one short and simple, so it's just a quick do's and don'ts of filling diesel exhaust fluid. If you're new to diesels in general, this on a 2021, so anything 2019 and up, you'll have your diesel exhaust fluid level here. This one's not too low, but it is recommended to keep it above half a tank. So yeah, like I said, it's not too low. It's about 3/4 of a tank right now. So where to fill def? Whatever you do, don't put it in your diesel fuel. Very expensive and will cause a ton of problems. It doesn't go in your windshield washer reservoir. Definitely not in your brake fluid reservoir. Definitely not in your coolant reservoir. Only right here in your diesel exhaust fluid. You got this sticker here. I have seen it in coolant. We've seen it in washer fluid reservoirs. I'm yet to see it personally in the diesel fuel, but I have heard horror stories. So here I have a wet rag that I've cut a hole through. It's 4 layers. I use this to catch any spills. The method of filling doesn't really matter. You can do jugs, a pump like this, or even a pump at like a semi-truck stop. Haven't really heard any issues with overfilling. It's kind of hard to not like fill it all the way up. Even though they say do not overfill. So, got lucky that time, didn't make a single drop. But the nice thing about a wet rag is the diesel exhaust fluid will soak into it almost immediately. So that's how you fill out the diesel exhaust fluid. Again, keeping it short and simple. If you like these simple how-tos, please like the video. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel.